side also. Yeah. So Oracle, I mean, we have different databases like Oracle and other databases. Oracle and other databases, we use this word called the join. But in SAS language, we never use this word called the join. I mean, we'll be doing the joins, but we never use this word called the join. So we'll be joining by using different methods like merge, append, update, set. So these are the different statements we'll be using to join the tables. But this word we never use. Then coming to the joins, we have different types of joins: full join, left join, right join, inner join. So while discussing, you will understand what type of joins these are. And while discussing the joins, you may come across like these type of joins also, like one-to-one join, one-to-many join, many-to-one join, and many-to-many join. There's called a Cartesian product or cross join, like this. So these terms also you will be facing. Then you should know these terminology also. What is a concatenation? What is interleaving? What's a merge, append, set, and update? So we'll be learning all these words. Basically, if you classify broadly, there are only two types of the joins. One is vertical join, the second one is a horizontal join. So in SAS we have only these two types of joins, vertical join and horizontal join. So based on the situation, based on the data given to us, then we will be selecting which join is helpful, which join is apt in that situation. So we'll be selecting only two things, vertical join and horizontal join. So vertical join will be done by set statement. Means when you are using a set statement, that will perform the vertical join. When you are using a merge statement, that will perform the horizontal join. So like this, we have only two types of the joins: vertical and horizontal, set and merge. Okay. Now let us see this example. Here I'm just using two data sets like this. Yeah. So I have two data sets. One is class and class 2. Both the data sets having same variables, name sexandage, name sexandage. So these are the two data sets I have. Name sexandage, name sexandage. First data set is having 3 observations, second data set is having 4 observations. And even the sequence also same, the variable sequence, name sexandage, name sexandage. Data sets are different, but the variable names are same. So if you want to combine these two data sets, then we can do one after other. First you copy the first data set content and then copy the second data set content after this one. So here vertical join will be good. I mean, we should not join these as a vertical, I mean horizontal, because already name is there. Again, if you keep the name here, this as it won't accept, because in SAS language, according to SAS syntax, a dataset should not contain two variables with the same name, right? That's why I mean, it's not possible to do the horizontal join here. Means it's not possible to add the abhi here, because then both the names are same. If you rename this name as something else, then you can do the horizontal join. So now we'll do the vertical join. Data full means we are creating a new data set. Okay, already we have two data sets. One is the class and class 2. Now we are creating a new data set. Data full set class 2 run. So I have not done anything, just the set statement. Set statement is to copy. So I'm copying the first data set content and then second data set content. Then after copying, just print it and see the result in the output window. Yeah, now see the result and just interpret the result showing 3, 4. Now we got a output data set having 3 plus 4, 7 observations like this. So this is the vertical join. Vertical means one after other. Okay, first it took the first data set content and then second data set content. Simple. Set statement is copying. First we copied the first data set content and then second data set we copied. See, for example, if I write class again, then what happens? I am adding the first data set content, second data set content, again I am adding the first data set content. So it will be added twice like this. First 4, then first 3, then 4, again 4, again 3. So 3, 4, 3 like this. So these 3 are from first data set, these from the second data set, again these 3 are from the first data set. Like simply, if you are using a set statement, it will be doing like vertical joins. Okay. Now, yeah, this is one type of the join. Now here, instead of the age, let us assume we have the score. Two data sets are different, okay, and variable names are similar except one variable. And what happens in this case, let us see. So it is doing, yeah, now you can see first it is taking the first three variables from the first data set like this. Later, second data set content got added here like this. But the score never becomes the age. So that's why it added like this, but it is not like a vertical, horizontal adding. It's vertical added. So we call this as a concatenation also. What do you mean by concatenation? Concatenation means we can easily separate one after other like this. See, the first three are from the first data set and the second part is from the second data set like this. This is called a concatenation. We can easily differentiate the content from first data set and the second data set. So this is called a concatenation. Okay. So I mean, what do you mean by interleaving? Interleaving means, okay, I combine these two. After combining, I am just sorting like this. See, procs sort data equal to full some by name like that. Okay, now submit this. After submitting, what happened? Here these two we combined and sorted. Sorted means the similar things will come together or it will give in ascending order. But this is called the interleaving. Why? Because this observation is from the first data set and this is from the second data set. Like, I mean, this is from the second data set, this is from the first data set, again these are from the second data set. So these are mixed up. So mixed up is called the interleaving. There's no difference between concatenation and interleaving. Concatenation means we can easily differentiate. Interleaving means they are mixed up. Both are having the 7 observations only, but these are mixed up. Okay, so these, I mean, this is the meaning of the concatenation and interleaving in SAS. Okay, now I hope you understood this one. But always, you know, this set statement, it won't work. Okay, always the set statement, it won't work. I mean, based on the situation, then we'll be selecting a procedure, but always it won't work. Let us see one more example whether the set statement works really or not. So I'm taking a data set called a student. So this is a student. Then these are marks got by students. Now we have two data sets. This is the first data set and the second data set. So if you do vertical join, okay, then you won't get the required result like this. Data full set, the first data set name is student, second data set name is marks. Set student, then marks, run. Then after that print it as usual, submit and see the result. Now see the result. Actually this is not what we are looking for, because here 100 Abhi, male 15, then 100 rank holder, I mean the roll number holder, he got 50 and 60. So it should come in a line like this. But you know, when you are using a set statement, it is simply adding the first data set content like this, concatenated. Then second data set got added. Again here very difficult to know like how many marks Rani got means. Again you need to do it manually. So there is no use of combining these two. Okay, so that's why in this situation, uh, like I mean, it won't use the set statement. So instead of set statement, simply write the merge, because the merge will do the horizontal join. Submit this. Now see the result after adding the merge statement. Now this is the correct one. What the merge do? It's very very important. Merge will overwrite. Always merge will overwrite. If that variable is not there, then it will add horizontally. See, first what's happening, it is taking the first data set content like this, roll number, name, sex and age. So it's adding the roll number, name, sex and age from the first data set. Then from the second data set, it overwrites roll number. It will check for the roll number. Already the roll number is there. So the second data set roll number content will be overwritten here. That's why these roll numbers are from the second data set, not from the first data set. Then science and social are not here, so they got added here horizontal. Okay, science and social got added. So this is the output. So here merge is appropriate to use, okay, because we need the horizontal join. But in all these situations also the merge is not, simply this merging also not, it won't work out. Okay, let us see why. Here just I am changing the sequence of this one. Okay, I am just changing the sequence of this like this. Now again submit this totally, see the result. This is the first data set, second data set, and see the result. Is it the correct result or not? This is called a logical error. Means the log is not showing any error, okay, but the error is with the your, not even with the syntax also. Okay, it's a logical error. See, 101 Rama, actually 101 Rama got 50 and 70, but here it is showing 100 Rama got 50 and 60. It's a different, completely different. So 105 is Arvind, but here it is showing 105 is Rani. Right? So why we got the wrong result means, what the merge do? It will simply overwrite. See, first it is taking the first data set content like this. See the name Rama Abhi Arvind Rani. Rama Abhi Arvind Rani. It's correct. Then sex and age also it's got adding as it is. And you see the science and social also got added as it is. Science as it is, social as it is from here. The problem is with the roll number only, because initially this roll number it has taken, then the second data set roll number content overwritten on this one. That's why here you can see the second data set content only, the overwritten content on the first data set. So that's why you can see 100, 101, 104, 105. Okay, so this is the wrong result. So what we do, if you sort this in a order, then it will become 100, 101, 104, 105. If you sort this one also, then you do the merging, then it will be giving the correct result. Means when you sort both the data sets before merging, then it will yield the correct results. Let us check. So this one I am sorting. Proc sort data equal to student. See, if you are doing like this, no need to write all this. Okay, you can shorten the program also. You can write it, but anyway, this is the same thing. So proc sort by roll number. Okay, by roll number. No need to even return also, no problem. Okay, submit this. So see this. So we sorted by roll number. Now this one also I am sorting by roll number. Yeah. Now when you sort, then same sequence. Though it overwrites, nothing will happen. Submit. Same, we got the correct result. There is no any error. So sorting is needed when you are combining two data sets. Definitely sorting is needed. Okay, but in some situations even sort, though you sort, it will lead the wrong result. Okay, let us see the one more situation where you will get the errors. Yeah. Okay, I am taking this data set called the student, and I am sorting also. Proc sort data equal to roll number. I am sorting and submitting. So this is the first data set, student, having some 6 observations. Then the second data set also I am sorting by roll number. Okay, submit this. Sorted. But the problem is unequal observations. Here we have 6 observations, then 4 observations. What happens if you merge? See, merge student and marks. See the output. Is it correct? No. Because here it is showing 104 Rani. Here it is showing 104 Rani. Okay. And 104 got 40 and 60. But here it is showing 101, 104 got no marks. And you can see 105 Ravi and 105 Arvind also. But 105 is Arvind only here in this case. But it's wrong. Right? Why? Because it's overwriting. Overwriting means, okay, you can see name Abhi to Arvind, it got added as it is, there is no change. Then sex and age also got added as it is. Even the science and social also got added as it is. The problem is the second data set content overwritten on the first data set contents. That is on the roll number. So instead of 100, 101, 102, 103, these content overwritten. So 100, 101, 104, 105. You can see 100, 101, 104, 105. As there are no values here, the fifth and sixth value in the second data set, so there won't be any overwriting. That's why 104 and 105 will be here. These 104 and 105 are from the first data set only. That's why as there are no values in the second data set, so there won't be any overwriting. So you can see these two are from the first data set itself. These four are from the second data set, and these two are from the first data set only. That's why you got the error. So whenever you when you sort it, if the observations are unequal, then automatically these type of logical errors you will be getting. So what is the best solution means, when you are merging, use a by statement, by roll number. Means what is a common one from both, common variable in both the data sets, roll number. So use the by and then submit. See the output, it will yield the correct results. Yeah, now you can see 102, 103 are having no any marks. Okay, no marks. Now this is a correct result. So better, whatever the situation may be, better you do like this. First you sort both the data sets, the common variable, and then you merge by using a common variable only. Okay, so this is an efficient way to merge. Okay, set is when there's a requirement of doing the horizontal join, then we need to use the merge. You sort and then merge by using a by statement. Or when you get a requirement to join vertically, then there is no other chance. So you'll be using the set statement only, right? Yeah, but there is one more situation where you cannot find the two data sets having the same variable then. Here in this case, we are talking about the same variable. Roll number, the first data set is having, second data set also having the roll number, so that it will be easy for us to merge by using the same common variable. But sometimes here we have the roll number, but the second data set having serial number, let us assume serial number. Okay, so I am sorting by serial number only. Then how to join them? Because variable names are different. We know both the serial number and roll number are same, but SAS doesn't know, right? So how it will decide the roll number and serial number are same? No, right? That's why what we do, this is the first data set having roll number, then the second data set having the marks, serial number. Then what to do? So we don't have any common thing, right? If you sort by roll number, then it will throw the error because the second data set contains no any roll number. In this situation, it is better you rename. Means not the original data set. Okay, while merging only we can rename. Okay, while merging you can rename. Okay, yeah, just a moment please. Yeah, I'm back. So sorry. So it's better you rename. Okay, which one you want to rename? That depends on your interest. Like you want to rename the roll number to serial number or serial number to roll number. That okay. Let us assume. Let's keep the roll number only and change the serial number to the roll number. So where is the serial number in the second data set? That is the marks, right? So after the data set name, then use the rename. Rename equal to which one you are renaming? Serial number to roll number. So what happens while merging only? It is merging the student without any changes. Then while merging the marks with the student, then we are renaming the serial number to the roll number. then both will be having the roll number only. Then merge by roll number only, submit. Yeah, now we got the same output, there is no error. Okay, this we can do. Or you want to rename the roll number to the serial number, means first data set is having the roll number, second data set is serial number, but we are planning to change the roll number to serial number only in the first data set itself. So instead of using this rename option in the second data set, use in the first data set only. Rename the roll number as a serial number, okay, as a serial number, and also, yeah, roll number to serial number, and also when you are merging, sort it by serial number. I mean, merge by serial number, not by roll number, because already this roll number has been modified to the serial number. Yeah, now same output, but instead of roll number, you got the serial number, right? So this is called the renaming. When you are merging, so better rename if you don't have the common variable. Okay. Now, yeah, this is one more scenario. Yeah, then coming to the joins. Okay. I mean, this is a very important one, and it's easy to, yeah, just a moment please. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for waiting. You are there, right? Okay. So, okay, fine. I hope you are listening. So, let us see this scenario. Uh, this is a very important one, like while doing the joins. So, this is one data set. Okay. Roll number, name. Just having only roll number, name. Then this is the second data set having the roll number and marks. Okay. Roll number and marks. So, I mean, like, if you join these, you know how to join, right? So we'll be doing the not the set statement. So let us join it. Join it by like merge. It's doing a horizontal join. Yeah. So before joining these two, okay, let me explain about like what this data is. So like I need the information about these four people, like Abhi, Rama, and Rani and Arvind. Okay. So I went to their school to collect the information. Like I need their marks and also their name. So I went to school. So in the school, like one department gave me this data set. Means one department people, they are maintaining only the roll number and name. That's it. They are not maintaining the marks. Then I went to other department. The other department people are just maintaining the marks and roll number, not the name. Okay. Then I got both the tables. Then to know the performance or to know the marks of these students, then I have to merge these two. Right. So how to merge? Same data, full merge. First one is student. The second one is marks. Then by roll number, run, and then print it. Okay. Then it's stud, not student, stud. Okay. Then submit. We got the output. So this output is correct only because 100 Abhi got no any marks here. So that's why it is showing missing. Then 101 Rama got 80. So 80. It's correct only. But this is called the full join. So sorry. So this is called the full join. Okay. So what do you mean by full join? Full join means it is showing everything from the two data sets, right? But I don't need these things because I need the information of about only these four students only. But the other department gave me a big list which is unnecessary. So we got 110 information, 112 information, and even 13 also. But we don't need all these, right? But when you combine, so it's giving the entire information which is not required. So this is called the full join. But I don't want the complete information. I just want the information about only the first table only. Means after combining these two, then I need only these details. Abhi details, then Rama, Rani and Arvind. So always the first table is called the left table, second table is called the right table. So when you are combining it, so it is a full table because it is having the left table information as well as the right table information. That's why we call it a full join or full table. But after combining, we need only the first table information only, and I mean the related marks. I mean related marks to the first table. So this is called the left join. Left join means after combining, it has to show only the first data set roll number only. These four only. Okay. So how to do the left join means simple. This is a full join. Left join means just give an alias name like in equal to a. So instead of using this table name as it is, we are giving an alias name. Student, I am giving A. Means the content in the student, we are considering it as A. Then in equal to B. Means the content in marks we are considering as B. Means we are just giving the alias name not to the data sets, to the contents. Okay. So the first data set we are considering as A, second data set we are considering B. Then if a equal to 1, always in SAS language, 1 means yes. Means after, I mean, combine both the data sets and show only the first data set content. Okay. Now, yeah, see the output. Yeah, see the output. It is just showing, see this is the output. Okay, yeah, so this is the output. So what the output is showing now? So this is the first data set, this is the second data set. So we combined everything. Okay, so after combining, yeah, now you can see it is showing only first data set content after combining. You can see the roll number, name and marks also, right? One second. Yeah, you got it, right? So it is showing just only first table content. So that's why we call this as a left join. Left join means if A equal to 1 means that's called the left join. And if you write B equal to 1, then it will be the right join. Okay. Now it is showing only the right table content. Okay. So this is the second table. After joining, this is a full table, right? So after joining, it is just showing the right table content only. Okay. So that's why we call it the right table, right join. Simple. If it is showing everything, that's a full join. If it is showing only the after merging, if it is showing all the left table content, then this is called a left join. If it is showing right table content, then it's a right join. Or A equal to 1 means left join, B equal to 1 means right join. And A equal to 1 and B equal to 1 means it has to show the content which are present in both the tables. So this is called the inner join. You can see 101, 104 and 105 are present in both the data sets. See 104, 105, 105 are present in the first data set, second data set. So it's called the inner join. Inner join means AND. If you use OR, then it will be showing the content either from the first data set or from the second data set. So it is nothing but the full join again. Simple. A equal to 1 means left join, B equal to 1 means right join, AND means inner join. If you are using OR means it's a outer join or full join. Okay. So like this, we have different types of the joins. Clear? Yeah. So this is about the joins. Okay. You just practice this. Tomorrow we'll spend more time. Okay. And okay. So I hope we won't be taking any breaks from tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. I'm sending these. I mean, on Skype. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Kiran, tomorrow are we meeting at 8 o'clock?
Yes, we'll meet at 8. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.